Hello, in this task we need to reshape Windows data frame and use the mount function. So we need to shape data frame from this very wide format to the long format, and mount function can help us with it. So right away I will use the return statement and pd.mount function. Mount. So and here we need to specify the name of our data frame to be the report as parameter, and second I give was. So this is the names the set of the columns of an initial data frame that should remain unchanged. And in our case it will be the product, the name of the products. Something around that. And the second on the short variable will be var underscore name. So it will be the name of the columns that will be reshaped or mounted. So it will be quarter as we reshaped in the part 1, 2, 3, and 4. Quarter. And then the next column will be the name of the values of this data frame. So volume name, and it will be actually the values, with sales values. You can have right here. Sales. Okay, let's try to simulate it.